All right. I got emotional eating these beef stroganoff meatballs because they really brought back a precious memory of a loved one, but they are delicious. So you're going to start out with a pound of 80-20 ground beef. I put it in a bowl and kind of broke it up a little bit so that all the seasonings can get all up in there. And what I'm going to do is just kind of fluff this mixture together. Got Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, Boursin cheese, parsley, everything will be listed. And the Boursin is going to just kind of keep these meatballs intact without having, it's kind of like a cheater way to make meatballs, honestly. And it's delicious. So toss that together, and then now we're going to be a little more handsy with it, packing it, folding it, smushing it, making sure all the ingredients are fully incorporated, and we're going to make meatballs. I got 12 meatballs out of this mixture, so aim for anywhere from 10 to 12 meatballs, okay? And you can air fry these, or you can put them in the skillet like I did. Doesn't really matter. I've got some mushrooms here, 15 ounces total, some baby bellas, and a wild blend of a whole bunch of different ones. Just use whatever you have access to. Slice up a Vidalia onion or a medium-sized yellow onion. I like Vidalia here because it lends like that nice break of natural sweetness. So I'm searing off these meatballs, and I walked away to, of course, tend to mica, and they got a little more brown than I wanted them to, but that's okay. That's fine. We're just going to flip them over and let them cook on the other side for about a minute or two. Remove them from the skillet. Drain off a little bit of that oil and add the mushrooms. So I just wanted to keep everything together. I wanted all the flavor from the meatballs to infuse into the mushrooms. So you're going to lubricate those mushrooms with a little bit more oil, fresh oil, and let them brown. When they get to about this point, okay, that's looking pretty good. You can add the onions, a little bit of salt, and a little bit more oil. Toss those around, toss everything around until the onions get nice and browned, softened. It's going to take about 5 minutes or so. All of this is done over about medium. I think I danced between medium and medium-high heat throughout the whole cook of this thing, which I have to do often when I'm working with a cast iron situation, so it'll depend on your situation. You're going to add garlic and the broth. I'm using beef bone broth. It thickens up a little better than regular beef broth, but use what you have on hand. Once that reduces and you can push it around and see like big long trails, you're going to add your heavy cream and your sour cream. Mix that around until the sour cream is completely incorporated, and bring that up to a gentle simmer over about medium-low heat. Season it well. When it tastes good, you're going to add the meatballs back and just kind of reheat them through. It's only going to take about a minute. Toss them around. And I got the heat off at this point, even though it's still bubbling, but the heat is off, and we're going to garnish with some parsley. Meanwhile, on the ranch, I am also steaming some cauliflower. So I steamed the cauliflower for about maybe 10 to 12 minutes, just until it was fork tender. And I'm letting the steam escape, and I'm going to throw it in my blender and blitz it, transfer it to a small pot like this, just to get the butter to melt, and it's nice and fluffy. These are so good. This meal, when I bit into it, I was reminded of a feeling that I would feel eating my mom's food and my grandma's food. It's just like that home feeling. They never made beef stroganoff, but it's just the feeling that brought me back, and it was it was very special. So I hope you enjoy it.
Oh my Lord. I swear. I swear to God. This right here is comfort. Oh, this is just so comforting. If my grandma were alive, I'd call her. God, it's gonna make me emotional. That is amazing. I am I'm getting really emotional. Not like just because this is delicious, but it's just bringing back a very old memory, and I'm in my feelings right now. But this is delicious, y'all.